Welcome back to Sonoma County Living. I'm Logan. Today we are in Kenwood, California, touring this gorgeous estate. This property is 5 beds, 6 baths, 5227 square feet, sits on a lot just under 6 acres, and is currently listed for $7.1 million. Here in Kenwood, we are just minutes away from downtown Sonoma, East Santa Rosa, Annadel State Park, and dozens of wineries. I would also like to thank the listing agents Holly Bennett and Aggie Smith for letting us tour this beautiful property. And with that, let's begin our tour of 2000 Lawndale Road.